This 2000 Chevrolet Corvette is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Corvette convertible memory, driver confidence package, power seat adjuster, passenger, 6-way sport driver and passenger seats, molding, body side exterior, power telescoping steering wheel, Bose speaker package, CD disc changer, selective real-time damping, polished aluminum wheels, Twilight Sentinel convertible roof, folding fog lamps, heads-up display, electronic instrument cluster, electronic dual-zone 20 control, power antenna, sport leather steering wheel, 5.7L V8 engine, 4-speed automatic transmission, cruise control, keyless entry, power exterior mirrors, power door locks, millennium yellow exterior, black interior, black convertible, soft to phone owner. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2000 Chevrolet Corvette is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.